What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are riding Long Branch Loop, I believe is what this is called. I used to ride it a bunch a long time ago, but this loop right here is a green, but I am trying to go not Green Mountain. I forget what the other trail is when you start heading up to Green Mountain, but I'm just doing kind of a quick, I think this will probably be like 6-7 miles, so just a quick bike ride. But yeah, it'll branch off this green and go to a blue. I've been having some memory card issues, so I'm hoping this doesn't randomly shut off on me again. Well, the leaves are finally gone. It's supposed to be up in the 80s, I think, today in the mountains, so that's awesome. I haven't done this trail in so long. Dropped my seat way for raising the seat way too soon. This is day 4 of me riding back to back to back to back. So, say a little prayer for my legs. Alright, just getting to the connector trail. This is the way we take. I've already almost done 2 miles, so I'm curious to know what this will be total. Won't be a ton, but I'm not sure what it'll be. Anyways, this is a really good trail if you're in the area because there's a lot of climbing in the Aska Trail system. So don't want anything hard or anything like that. This is a good one to go to because it's pretty mellow. Across the street over here you have Stanley Gap and you have Flat Creek over there. So a bunch of fun ones around. This is where we veer off the loop, the green loop, and start our climbing. Lots of routes. There's some pretty good little technical spots climbing back here, so it's a fun one. Here's the other connector. This way is Green Mountain Trail. I've done that once before years ago and it was all right. You have to climb back out. It's pretty much downhill all the way and then you have to climb back up the thing, and I don't know, it was just okay to me. So I've only done it that one time. Not going to do it today because I don't have time. I'm just going to continue following this trail up to get over to Stanley and then turn around and come back. And these punchy sections. Look at how rooty it is over here. I haven't ridden this part of this trail, the connector trail, which is going to be an amazing downhill, but I haven't ridden it in years and forgot how technical and how steep it is. I would say this is probably, it's listed as a blue, but it's not. I would argue it's a black because you just have the technical climbing. Would have not done this trail today if I remembered all that. I was trying to do like a pretty mellow trail, you know, since I've been riding. This is day 4 of riding. I'm a little fried. I'm not up for technical climbing right now, so. But it'll be a really fun one going down. Section right here takes you to Stanley Gap. Really hoping my GoPro is going to stay charged. I didn't have time to charge it. But it's not in the paper. There you go. Man, it must ride. Oh. Another area. I do have a question for you guys. So, I've been biking every single day, pretty much most days now during the week, early before work. And I am starving all the time because I'm burning so much. And I do more besides just bike too. Like I'll do like a workout. You know, I do like 2 or 3 miles with Lacey every day, walking. during the week, amongst other things for her. She's so hyper, but I can't stay full. It is a problem. I'm struggling with it because I just feel like I always eat now, which is not good. Right away. I'm a pretty health conscious person. I don't do sugar. I haven't done sugar for, shoot, years now. I'm zero sugar, and you know, I eat a pretty healthy diet. Try to stay away from processed foods, all that stuff. I've always had a pretty healthy diet because that's how I was raised. So eat a lot of meat and things like that for protein, but I just struggle. I have a protein drink after I finish biking, and then I'll do another one for like a snack just to try to get some protein in, because something to help with my appetite, but I'm still just hungry. I just burned through it. All right, and here we are at the Stanley Gap parking lot. So just going to turn back around and climb back up and then go down. So there is a Stanley Gap loop that people will do. You have to go on the freaking highway. You guys know this highway, it is, people are flying. No thank you, I refuse to do that. So I've never done that loop because it's just, no, I'm not going on the road. There is a lot of people always at that trailhead, I feel like just randomly during the week, because I come up here and I stay up with my parents. Some weeks, like when Hunter's out of town for work, I just come up here, that way I can bike every day before work. And that parking lot is always packed. I'm like, why is it so busy? It's like it's a weekend or something. And I come early in the morning. There's people out. It's crazy. I'm so tapped. My legs, everything's done. I have to have a rest day tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, that's why I decided to ride today. So, oh man. Yeah, I definitely need a rest day. We'll be fine. For hikers. Ooh. I mean, shoot, probably at this point I need 2 days off. All right, this is back on the green trail right here. have to climb out back to the car right here.